here. Now, the other thing, of course, we talked about making donuts. Everybody loves donuts, of course. Who doesn't? So let's go ahead and transform this. Whoop, that was to a pie. So I'm going to right click and then make this to a donut. Now you can see, of course, our line of business group is listed as the color. Our line of business is the vertical trellis here. So we'll go ahead and put in the line of business. And then I would also move this. So let me copy this to horizontal trellis. Yeah. And that's starting to be a little bit better here. All right, and what you're seeing as far as the colors, again, we have it based on the line of business. And then our line of business group is divided out, on our horizontal trellis. That's, giving us kind of a slice of the pie, if you will, based on commercial, and then the line of businesses that are within commercial, right? And then our farm, and then the line of businesses that are within farm, and then personal, right? If we want to take a look at those individually as well. Now, it's all by written premium, and the color and size is based on written premium at this point. If we wanted to, maybe make this a little bit more in depth or give us some more data right off the bat, one thing I would recommend is to actually use the enforce policy count, and we can actually make this as the color itself, come in as linear. And then if we wanted to change this color, right, we go in, right click, edit color logic, come in now. You can come into our minimum and then our max. Well, see if it'll come up for us. Maybe we want to make it some type of purple, right? Something along those lines. So this is an example, and I'm not suggesting that this is the best way to color the actual objects. Sometimes having that white and things being faint makes it very hard for the end user to be able to see those differential points. And at this point, you may want to just add in some labels here. One thing you can do, right, to just add them in quickly is just select it, right, and it puts it in. And if you want specific values, right, you can go ahead and do it this way. I think in this case, it just makes sense, to have our series. Now, I wonder